Hi friends, welcome to my Windows 10 Explore channel. Today we are going to create a smooth zoom animation in any corner of your video. These animations are very useful for explainer videos. First of all, I'm going to open Premiere Pro. In the Premiere Pro, I'm going to create a new project by clicking on this file menu and new project. Give the project any name and click OK. In my project, I'm going to import a couple of files. So in the project panel, I'm going to double click on here, or I'm going to right click on here, select import. I'm going to import these two files. One is 3x3 college of babies and second one is guidelines. Now I'm going to create a new sequence. Click on this create new item and select sequence. The sequence must be 1920 and 1080p. So I'm going to use this AVC HD 1080p 30 frames per second. Click OK. Now place your colleague into the timeline. So this is the 5 seconds image. I need to expand this for our video explanation. So I'm going to click on here and drag it, make it as a around 20-second duration image. Later we are going to create a new adjustment layer by clicking on here and choose adjustment layer. Click OK and drag and drop the adjustment layer to the second video layer here and match the duration of our colleague by drag and dropping here, and I matched the adjustment layer to the colleague. Now double click on the guideline. This will open in the source monitor. This guideline is very useful for our smooth zoom animation. I'm going to adjust the source monitor into the timeline place so we can see the guidelines from here. Now we are going to apply an effect to the adjustment layer. So first go to the effects and search for transform effect. The transform effect is in the distort menu. Drag and drop this transform effect to the adjustment layer. We're going to use the only transform effect for this entire video. Click on adjustment layer. Go to the effects control. Here you can see the transform effect is applied to my adjustment layer. First of all, I'm going to create a smooth zoom animation to the center of this image. First, go to the scale properties and click this stopwatch to create a keyframe on the scale property. Move forward to the few frames and change the scale value to 300. Why 300? Because we created a 3x3 grid and 300 is going to fill the entire value of this image. Press enter and now play the animation. Done. We created a smooth zoom animation to the center. Now I'm going to create a zoom animation to this first image, that is top corner image. We can achieve this by changing the anchor point values. Trust me, we always use position values, scale values, rotation values and opacity values, but we never touched anchor point. In this entire video, we are going to depending on anchor point properties. So I'm going to change the anchor point values. The first image is located in the top corner. That means it is located in the 320-180 pixels. So I'm going to give this value in the anchor point. Click on the anchor point and change the values to 320 and 180. Done. We get our first image. So let's play the animation. Not perfect because we got this awkward black color in the beginning of the animation, but ending is okay. We got our top corner image, but we need to get rid of this black color. We can done this by giving the position animation. Look at this position. You can see the position value is 960/540. Why? Because for an HD video, that is 1080p video, the center of the position is always 960/540. For better understanding, I'm going to click on this position value. See, the position is here and the anchor point is here. So whenever I use the zoom transmission, the position is always on the center. So we need to create a position animation to get rid of the black markers. Now I'm going to click on this position stopwatch. This will create a animation for the center of the image and go back to the few frames. and change the position value to match the anchor point value, that is 320 and 180. Now let's see the animation. Done. We get rid of the black color by using the position animation, and we also achieved our first top corner image animation. We can also apply a cinematic effect for this animation by disabling this use composition shutter angle and change the shutter angle value to 180. This will create a smooth motion blur effect to our animation. Let's play this animation. It's perfect. But for an explainer video, users must follow our cursor. So we don't need to use the motion blur to confuse the cursor movement. So we are going to reset these two parameters. We don't use these parameters and we use the only plain smooth animation. Now for the more advanced animation for this tutorial, we are going to from this to this and then this place to this place, that is mother and baby picture in the side. So we can do this by changing the anchor point values. But how can we do this? Just creating an animation for anchor point. We don't need to change the position values and we don't need to change the scale values. So here this is the first animation, and stop it here and move forward few frames and create an anchor point animation by clicking on this stopwatch and move forward. And here we are going to need the mother and baby picture that is located in this place from our guide. So the values for this picture is, that is 1600 and 540. I'm going to enter the values in the anchor point. Done. Let's see the animation. That's it. By using the anchor point, position, and scale properties, we can achieve the smooth zoom animation to any corner of your video. This is very useful for the explainer videos. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe my video and follow my channel for more tutorials like this.